Hey everybody, this is Taz for Fiat Club America. I am going to do a quick walkthrough and show you how to register as a new member for Fiat Club America. We've had some feedback that some of you are having trouble doing this. So the first thing you want to do is go to the fiatclubamerica.com website. This is what it'll look like on a PC. And from here on this top menu bar, hover your mouse over Become a Member, drop down the New Member Sign Up, and then click. It prompts if you're already a member, click here and just renew. So you want to pick your membership type. You have two options. One-time payment, it's 12 months for $60. If you sign up for a recurring payment membership, you get a $5 discount, 12 months for $55. The difference is the one-time payment. About 11 months from now, you'll start getting notifications that your membership is about to expire and asking if you want to renew it. Whereas with the recurring payment membership, it will automatically renew for you 12 months from now on the date that you signed up. So because you chose to do that, we give you a $5 discount. I'm going to pick that one just for now. And you'll see you get two little boxes down here. Your membership may include one or more spouse partner members, and I'll talk about that here in a second. It also has a box saying this membership type auto renews. So you don't have to go back 12 months from now and sign up again. It's going to do it for you. Now, if I pick the one-time payment, it's just going to say you can include one or more spouse partner members, and it's not going to tell you that it auto renews because it won't. So I'm going to switch to the discount one, auto renew. We've selected the membership type. Now we click next down here. Terms of privacy and use. It's the legalese from Club Express, and basically you're agreeing to their terms and policies. You can click here and see it all. It's quite extensive. It tells you all about sharing of information and things they do. This is not a company that sells your information. Now, the difference between I agree and I agree but do not send general emails. Fiat Club America may also send general purpose emails related to club participation in business, such as newsletters, event notices, important updates, etc. If you click I agree, you're saying it's okay for Fiat Club America to randomly send me emails about Fiat Club America. If you say I agree but do not send general emails, you are registering to be a member of Fiat Club America, but you're saying I don't want Fiat Club America to send me emails through Club Express. Or you can say you don't agree, and then, well, let's see what happens. Yeah, see? You can't continue if you don't agree to the terms. So I'm clicking I agree because I want Fiat Club America to be able to send me emails. We send emails about, like right now, the upcoming elections, events, Fiat Freakout, all kinds of different things. We may send a survey about something we're thinking about doing and we want to get your feedback. We may send out a email asking for articles for a magazine that we want to publish or something like that. And so I'm saying I agree, I want the emails, click the next one, and now we have to fill in. If it's a red dot, it's mandatory. I don't need a citation. And all the red dots are mandatory. Everything else is just if you want to. So I'm just going to make up a name. I'll be Goober McGillicuddy for this. Address, I'll just use mine so I don't have to repeat it. Email. Phone, everything else you can put in if you want. The red dots you have to put in. When you get done doing whatever you need to, click next. Now, here's the page that can confuse people. Goober McGillicuddy. Right here next to your name, and it tells you how much you're being charged. It says add chapter. What Fiat Club America does is, for me signing up out of Mesquite, Texas, if I didn't pick a chapter, they would look at the map and say, okay, according to your zip code, The closest chapter to you is the DFW chapter, so we're automatically assigning you to DFW chapter, okay? Say I really wanted to be an Austin Fiat Club, which I don't know why, because it's farther away, but sometimes people sign up because their friends are in a club and they want to, in a chapter, they want to be in that chapter. So I click on Add Chapter, and then here I click on Select a Chapter. Scroll down, here's all the chapters, they're alphabetical, I think. So I go to Austin Fiat Club and click on Austin Fiat Club. And then I save it, okay? If at any time in the future, well, I'll show you, that's a whole different one. I'm going to do another video to show you how you can edit your profile. Now, spouses, partners. What is that? If you hover over Add, it shows you a little help screen. It says, this page allows you to add a spouse or partner and family, up to 25 members to your account, and to assign members to chapters. The features on this page may vary based on your membership type and previous selections. Okay, they're giving you a lot of information that is canned. This is Club Express saying it. It doesn't really say how it applies to us. Here's what a spouse partner account is for us, for Fiat Club America. If you, for $5, you can add a spouse or partner. They must live with you. Legally live with you. So if you're dating someone you haven't married and you live in Florida and they live in Tennessee, you can't do this. You have to be in the same domicile. Okay. What it does is it gives them a login account for the website. It also, that's the biggest thing. So that if you each want to go to the website independently, go to the forums, do whatever, you can. They don't get voting rights as a dues paying member. This is a login account for, and then we'll say, let's say wife, and she will be, let's say Velma McGillicuddy. I'll probably spell it wrong. Email, I use the same email just because. And you can put in their birthday if you want. Okay. So now we have her name, my name. It adds $5. Let's see, additional data. Oh, hey. You can throw in what Italian cars you currently own. And she can be in a different chapter, which makes no sense because you live in the same house. But, okay. I guess the advantage there is you would get, if the chapters send out stuff for that chapter, you would get the notification from each chapter. So if you have 2 chapters nearby, you sign up you for one chapter, you sign up your spouse, partner for a different chapter, you'll get notifications from both of them. So you get to see more about what's going on. Now we have that how we want it. Remember, this does not give the member voting rights. It gives the member her own or his own login to the website. The reason we charge $5 for that is because Club Express charges us X amount of money per month for each member. And this, we end up making like $1 a year on it. We make a little money on it, but it basically offsets the cost of your spouse or partner having login rights to Club Express. So totally up to you, totally optional. The key thing to also remember is your spouse or partner already has privileges in Fiat Club America simply because they're your spouse or partner. So for example, you're doing an event, a driving event, and you each have Fiats. You take 2 cars. She is covered under our club insurance. She qualifies as a Fiat Club associate member if she goes on the drive and drives a separate vehicle. So this additional sign up here, again, is solely to give your partner or spouse login privileges to Club Express website. So they don't have to use your login. You could each be online at the same time. They could independently go to the forums and converse or whatever. So now we go member sign up. You can pick your username. I'm just going to go GMAC. And you pick a password. Down at the bottom, it gives you the tips. Don't use common, obvious passwords. It has to be a mix of upper and lowercase letters and numbers. You can add punctuation and special characters. Longer is better. And it also says a passphrase is often better than a complex password. And they give the example, my favorite color is ecru, because it's easy to remember and hard to guess. There you go. Very strong. Let's see if I can remember what I wrote. My favorite Fiat is a 124. I own 3 of them. I kind of have to say that. Actually, I own 2. My daughter owns 1. Anyway, that's a cool thing, is that you can make it a phrase, and look, you can have spaces. So that's actually, I think, kind of a good idea to do a password like that. So now we have all this. This is like a summary screen. Our name, our address, phone number, email, what type membership it is. We are adding a Velma McGillicuddy. It shows us the clubs that we signed up for. If we accidentally press something wrong, we just hit the backspace and go back and change the club. Now we press and proceed to payment. And this is almost as far as I can go, because I'm not actually going to pay to add Goober and Velma to the club. I'm going to pick credit card. And now we're going to enter credit card information and then submit payment. And there you go. You will get a welcome email from the club. And now it's going to think Goober's around, so I have to sign out as Goober. So there you have it. That is how to go to fiatclubamerica.com and become a member of Fiat Club America. If you have any questions, I will flash my email up here on the screen. It's dfwfiatclubfca@gmail.com. Don't hesitate to email me. You can find me on Fiat Club America group as Tesla and Brenner. Just send me a PM and let me know what questions you have, and I will try to help you resolve whatever issues you're having. So I hope that this makes the process easier to understand for some of you, and hope to see you in the club soon. Have a good day, guys.